Hi everyone. Today we'll see the remaining questions, that is from 21 to 40. Which row matches a region of electromagnetic spectrum to one of its uses? So gamma rays, infrared rays, microwaves, radio waves is given. So which is matching? So the application of gamma rays is it is used in medical imaging, radiation therapy, space exploration, and it is not used in intruder alarms. In intruder alarms, you are using infrared rays, and it is used in remote controllers and all. And microwaves, we are using in microwave oven, communication, cell phones, and all. So this is actually matching. And radio waves, we are used in radio communication and all. So the right answer is C, microwaves, that is used in mobile or cell communication. Next, a ship sounds its horn well it is 790 meters from a cliff. A passenger on the ship hears an echo 4.8 seconds later. So what is the sound of speed? So as it is an echo, the sound of speed can be written as 2 into d divided by t. That is 2 into distance 790 meter divided by t is 4.8 seconds. You'll be getting the answer 1580 meter by 4.8 seconds. That will be equal to 329.16 unit will be meter per second. So here the right answer is that is 330 meter per second. Next, which row gives the metal used to make the core of an electromagnet and one property of the electromagnet? So metal iron is given, steel is also given. So which is the right answer? So when you're using as an electromagnet, it needs to charge and discharge. That means for turning on and off by changing the current flow, we need a temporary magnet. Actually, temporary magnet is required for changing the current flow. And iron acts as a temporary magnet. And the B is the right answer. Next, a plastic rod and a dry cloth are uncharged. The rod is now rubbed with the cloth and they have both become charged. The rod becomes negatively charged because some particles move from cloth to rod. So you are having some cloth piece and one rod is there. Now what is the charge of rod? So the rod has become negatively charged. What is the charge on the cloth and which particles moved in the charging process? So here it has the rod has become negatively charged means some electrons from this cloth has moved towards this rod. And what is the charge left here in the cloth? It will be positive. Electrons have moved towards rod. So the rod is negative and the cloth will be positive. So charge on the cloth, that is positive. The particles that move, that is electrons. So C is the right answer. Next, a power supply of electromotive force 12 volt is connected across a 3 ohm resistor. Which ammeter is suitable to measure the current in the resistor? is most suitable. So we need to find what is the range of current. So the range of current, by Ohm's law, we can write it as I is equal to V by R. Here the voltage given is 12 volt and the current, the resistance is 3 ohm. So it is around 4 amps. So the current is 4 amps. So your ammeter should be within that range. So you can see here 0 to 5 amps ammeter is available. So the right answer is an ammeter with a range of 0 to 5 amps. So we'll move to next question. The cost of an electrical energy is $0.25 for each unit of 1 kilowatt hour. A 22,000 watt heater is switched on for 48 minutes. So what is the cost of this use? So we need to find the energy consumption. So what is your energy consumption here? That is equal to the wattage it is given, that is 22,000, sorry, 2,200 watt into hour. We need to find this kilowatt hour, that is into 48. It is in minutes, so we need to convert to hour. So divided by 60. So when you are doing this, you will be getting 1760 watt hour. So to convert to kilo, I'll be taking these 3 decimal points, that is 1.676 kilowatt hour. So this is your energy consumption. So for 1 kilowatt, we know it is $0.25. So for 1.76 kilowatt, what will be the cost? The cost will be equal to $0.25 into 1.76. That can be written as 0.44. So the right answer is $0.44. Next, the diagram shows 6 different electrical circuit components. Which circuit symbol is not present in the diagram? Actually, this is the symbol for generator and this is the symbol for ammeter. This is the symbol for resistor. This is symbol for voltmeter. This is symbol for motor and this is symbol for heater. Okay, heater is there, motor. So resistor, it is available. This is for resistor, right? Voltmeter, that's also there. Voltmeter. Generator. Generator is present here. So the symbol for thermistor, it is not available. So the right answer is D. Next, the circuit shown contains 3 switches and 4 lamps, that is P, Q, R and S. You can see here P, Q, R and S. So your question is, which switches must be closed to light only lamps P and R? So we need to light up the lamp P and R. This should be glowing. This should be glowing. So which switch we need to close? We need to close switch 1. When you are closing this switch 1, this lamp P circuit is closed. Lamp R also circuit is closed. So the right answer is A. Switch 1 only. Next, an electric heater has a metal frame. The heating element is connected to live and neutral wire of an AC supply. The metal frame is connected to the earth wire. Which rope gives the correct connections for the use and switch? So when you're connecting a live AC supply, you'll be connecting fuse in series. Fuse will be connected in series and switch also it is connected in series. So the right answer is fuse needs to be connected in series with the live wire. Switch needs to be connected in series with the live wire. C is the right answer. Next, which electrical devices uses the turning effect produced by an current carrying coil in a magnetic field? So here, AC generator, AC DC motor is there, relay is there, transformer is there. So generate here, when an electric current flows through the coil, it interacts with the magnetic field, creating a mechanical force or a turning force which cause the coil to rotate. So that is happening in DC motor. So the right answer is B, DC motor. Next, four appliances all using an electric current to operate. Which appliance use the magnetic effect of the current? So here, heater, bulb and remote controller. These three doesn't use any magnetic effect. Relay is using a magnetic effect because with the help of magnetic effect only, we are turning this normally open switch to normally closed. This operation happens because of this magnetic effect. So the right answer is relay. Next, a student makes four different types of transformer. She counts the number of turns on the primary and secondary coils. She labels each transformer as either step up or step down. So what is step up? What is step down? In the case of step up, the input number of turns in the primary will be less and turns in the primary will be less and turns in the secondary will be more. And in the case of step down, turns in the primary will be more and turns in the secondary will be less. So which row shows the correct label? So 5, 5. Turns are same. So it is not step up. It is just isolation transformer. Here it is 10 and it is 5. Here it is less and it should be more. So this is less. So it is not step up. Here it is 10 and here it is 20. Greater than this primary. So it is not step down. 20 and secondary is 10. So NP is greater than NS. So this condition is getting satisfied and it is step down transformer. So the right answer is D. How is electricity transmitted? over large distance and why it is transmitted in this way. So electricity is always transmitted in high voltages. We are stepping up and then we are transmitting. So it is transmitted in high voltages. Why it is transmitted means it is to reduce our energy loss. If you are transmitting in low voltage, energy loss will be more. So for reducing the energy loss, we'll be transmitting in high voltage. So the right answer is B. An atom of an element contains electrons, neutrons, and protons. Which particle are found in nucleus? So inside nucleus, we can find neutrons and protons. Electrons are orbiting outside the nucleus. So the right answer is C, neutrons and protons only. Next, a nuclide of chlorine has this symbol shown. So symbol is here. What is the nucleon number of this nuclide of chlorine? So nucleon number is 35. This is actually number of protons. This symbol represents downside it will be written the number of protons and top it will be the nucleon number. The right answer is 35. What is the major source of background radiation? So the radiation from outer space, primarily from the sun and celestial bodies, contribute to the background radiation. That is actually cosmic rays. The graph shows the radioactive decay curve of a substance. You can see here, initially it was 1000 and it is decayed to 0 within 30 years of time. So what is the half-life of this substance? So initially it was 1000. So when it reaches 500, that is the half-life. The corresponding time it is 5 years. So the right answer is 5 years. Which row about the orbit of the Earth and the Moon is correct? Approximate time for the Earth to orbit the Sun. That already we know that is 365 days. So for the Moon to orbit the Earth, that is actually 30 days. So if you're considering this Benedict month, it is 29.5 days in actual. Here it is given 30 days. And the right answer is D. 365 days for rotating the sun for Earth and 30 days for the moon to rotate around Earth. Which description of a galaxy is correct? So galaxy, that is a collection of billions of stars. This is the right answer. It is not the collection of gaseous planet orbiting a star. That is our solar system. It consists of both gaseous and rocky planet orbiting the star that is our sun. This is also wrong. All of the stars that is also wrong. It is a collection of billions of stars. That is a galaxy. Next. Light from the distant stars is redshifted. What is meant by redshift? So here, when an object in space is moving away from an observer, the light it emits gets stretched, causing its wavelength to shift towards the red end of the spectrum. So here, an increasing wavelength is happening. During redshift, suppose observer is here, it is moving away from the observer. So the wavelength is increasing. Wavelength lambda is increasing. So it appears to be red. So here the right answer is C. It is an increase in observed wavelength caused by a star moving away from the Earth. So thank you all. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.